Hello everybody and welcome back to another welcome screen video. I'm sure if you're watching this, you want to know how to put the Wi-Fi on your TV screen. So let's not waste any of your time and get right into it. So before we get started, you will need to be a subscriber of Welcome Screen. We're a digital guest experience platform which allows you to make extra revenue and also provide much better experiences to your guests. As you can see, you can have a welcome message and greet them by name. And then if you go to the next page, you will get to the Wi-Fi information. So you can actually have the Wi-Fi name and password written out, but you can also have it through a QR code where they just scan it and they can connect to the Wi-Fi that way. It's super easy. In case you are wondering where you actually change the details within your portal, just go to one of your listings, then scroll down and you will find the Wi-Fi details in which you can change the network or the password, and then you can edit your QR codes directly right here. And then on top of that, you can provide contact details as well as your direct booking website, so you can promote your brand and make sure they know that you guys are a business, you're not just a regular Airbnb listing. On top of that, you also have these 3 QR codes which you can program to whatever you'd like. So just for example, here I have my direct booking link, which would take them to my direct booking website. That way, if they want to come back next time and book directly to save some money, they can. You can also raise your direct rates a little bit just so you're making a little more and your guests will still be saving money. Then I have a local trolley tour. We are partners with Viator, which means anything on Viator you can promote on your TV screen and make 8% if anyone books it. So say someone books the trolley tour for them and their entire extended family and the total ends up being $1,000, you would make $80. And then finally down here, I know a lot of people have online stores. We're actually releasing one soon, but you can link it here so they can purchase things within your apartment or extra goods and services that you offer, like early check-in or welcome basket, roses, whatever it may be. And then just to show you the rest of the product really quick, we have weather, which is really cool. Also tells you sunrise and sunset. And then we have nearby activities. So this will show them all the best local things in the area. So as you can see, I live in a pretty boring area, but if you did live somewhere a little more exciting, you can program this to be whatever you want, right? And it would give them a lot of details on where they should go and what they should be looking to do. Not to mention, you can actually charge to be one of these spots, which is really cool. So you can make deals with local businesses and be like, hey, if you want to be my #1 recommendation, then pay me $20 a month or pay me $100 a month. It depends on how much influence you have in the community or how many properties you're managing. And then of course you have your streaming apps, so you never actually have to leave the Welcome Screen app. You can just go access YouTube, Netflix, Hulu, whatever it may be from Welcome Screen itself. And so finally, this is actually a really cool one. You can put your guidebook on the TV. So as you can see, I have my different categories here. Sorry for the sun glare, it's a little hard to see. But you can have images, you can have explainer videos, you can have text showing them what to do for check-in, you can have checkout, you can have house rules. You can make it as simple or as complicated as you'd like, but it's right there on your TV for your guest convenience. We do also offer a mobile guidebook that takes the experience to the next level, which will help you prepare your guests before they even arrive at your property. We do offer a free trial, so if you're interested and want to try it out, go ahead, sign up, see if you like it or not, and please email us if you have any questions.